Okay. Yep. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, we're going to try a Mac dump while walking and moving forward on this 12 gauge Citadel Boss 25 shotgun. All right, here's what our target does with 12 gauge front shot. We're shooting like 40, 50 yards just for fun, have them all peppered up here. But on some of these, you can see the little pellets are still in there. I'm sure most of them are just bouncing off, but you can see a few of these good ones. They really don't do much from that range. You just wipe them off and they fall out. That's dope. This is 12, this bird shot's what, 1280, 1290? Anyways, fun.